When we find our pitch mark or any other pitch mark, the correct way to repair is to try to lift the grass back to level, but without turning upside down and leaving the soil on the surface. So we gently lift it up, making sure we don't overdo it, and we work it from outside to inside, and finally we tap it down with our club. When we reach the green and we have to take the flag out, we have to be careful not to damage the green. Some people will actually throw the flag to the ground, leaving a mark on the green. What you have to do is take the flag and with the help of your putter or with your own hand, just try to drop it gently on the grass without damaging. And when you have to put the flag back in the hole, you have to be careful not to touch the sides of the hole, put it straight in the center of the hole, so the other players will have the hole in the same condition you found it. Thank you for helping us maintain Club de Golf Alcanada.